Names hold power. They declare identity. They carry authority. But what happens when the whole world forgets the only name that saves? This isn't just a translation issue. This is prophecy. This is deception. This is spiritual warfare. They told us his name was Jesus. But what they gave us was a substitute.
Yahshua, Messiah.
A name rooted not in Hebrew, but in Greek, then Latin, then Rome. The beast system erased the truth. They replaced Yahweh's chosen name with one the prophets never knew,
Yahshua, Messiah.
and the world forgot. Just as written, they have caused my people to forget my name. The beast gave us IHS, XCS, he, she, sigma. The same symbols John saw in Revelation 13. They hid the truth behind crosses, cathedrals, and creeds. And all the world worshiped the image and the name of the beast. Another Yahshua, another spirit, another message. IHSXES, Jesus. But Yahweh has not forgotten his name, and in these last days, he is restoring it to his people. The true worshipers are rising, not with religion, but with reverence, not in confusion, but in covenant. From the rising of the sun to its going down, my name shall be great among the nations. Come out of the confusion. Come out of Babylon. Call on the true name, the name above all names, because Yahshua is not returning to confirm man's tradition. He's returning to establish Yahweh's truth. And they shall see his face, and his name shall be on their foreheads.